Space is a place of immense complexity and profound simplicity. Up here, floating 250 miles above our home planet, the rules of life as we know them change. The Axiom 4 mission, which arrived at the International Space Station on this day, July 30th, 2025, is a perfect example of this new era of exploration. It is a mission that beautifully combines serious scientific research with the pure, unadulterated joy of being human in an extraordinary place. The crew isn't just running experiments, they are living, breathing, and even eating in a way that pushes the boundaries of what we thought was possible. This journey is about more than just data points and objectives. It's about the human experience at its most extreme and honestly, exhilarating. When you look at the mission plan for AX-4, you see this wonderful blend of work and wonder. One moment, the astronauts are carefully managing sensitive experiments that could lead to medical breakthroughs on Earth. The next, they are pressed against the window of the cupola, their faces lit by the brilliant blue of the Caribbean Sea passing below. This balance is crucial. Spaceflight is incredibly demanding, and finding moments of simple pleasure is not a luxury. It's a necessity for staying sharp and focused. It reminds us that even as we reach for the stars, we carry our humanity, our cultures, and even our favorite foods with us on the journey. The mission schedule is packed from the moment they wake up to the moment they strap into their sleeping bags. Each day is a carefully choreographed dance of tasks, check-ins with mission control, and personal time. But within that structure, there is an undeniable sense of adventure. Imagine starting your day not with a coffee at your kitchen table, but by watching a sunrise paint the edge of the Earth in fiery colors every 90 minutes. This is the reality for the AX-4 crew. They are at the forefront of a movement that is opening up space, making it a place not just for government astronauts but for citizen explorers dedicated to pushing progress forward. And then there's the food. We often think of space food as bland tubes of paste, but that's an outdated picture. The AX-4 mission brought something special with it: Pierogis. A simple, comforting dish from Earth, transformed into a symbol of connection and celebration in orbit. Sharing a meal like this is more than just nutrition. It's a moment of team bonding, a taste of home in the most alien environment imaginable. It proves that no matter how far we travel, we find ways to share the simple things that make us happy. This mission is a story of science, discovery, and the universal joy of a good meal shared with friends. Every crew that flies to space is a unique mix of skills, personalities, and backgrounds. The AX-4 team is a fantastic representation of where spaceflight is heading. It includes a veteran NASA astronaut as the commander, ensuring the mission adheres to the highest standards of safety and operational excellence. Alongside them are 3 private astronauts, each a leader in their respective fields on Earth. They are not tourists, they are mission specialists. One might be a renowned biologist, another a tech entrepreneur, and the third an artist, each bringing a unique perspective and a specific set of research goals to the station. Their journey required years of intense training and preparation. The commander's role is to be the steady hand, the experienced guide who knows the space station like the back of their hand. They are responsible for the crew's safety and the successful integration of their work with the ongoing operations of the ISS. The private astronauts, on the other hand, bring a different kind of energy. They are driven by a deep passion to use the unique environment of microgravity to accelerate research and innovation. They have funded their own way here, not for a joyride, but to conduct meaningful work that would be impossible to do anywhere else. This model is changing the landscape of space exploration for the better. Their daily routine is a testament to their dedication. They are up early, syncing their schedules with the international crew already aboard the station. Their time is meticulously planned to maximize every moment in orbit. One crew member might be in the Kibo laboratory module working on a crystal growth experiment, while another is setting up sensors to monitor their own cardiovascular health and microgravity. They are both subjects and scientists contributing their own physiological data to long-term studies about how the human body adapts to space. This dual role is a hallmark of modern human spaceflight. What truly defines this crew is their shared sense of purpose. They have come together from different walks of life, united by a common dream of pushing boundaries. In the confined space of the ISS, teamwork isn't just a buzzword, it's a survival skill. They rely on each other for everything, from running complex scientific procedures to simply sharing a story at the end of a long day. They are proving that the future of space exploration will be built on collaboration, bringing together the best of government agencies and the innovation of the private sector to achieve things we can only begin to imagine. The International Space Station is, first and foremost, a world-class laboratory. It's a place where the fundamental force of gravity is almost entirely removed, allowing us to see the universe and our own biology in a completely new light. The X4 crew is here to take full advantage of this unique setting. Their research portfolio is diverse and ambitious, covering fields from medicine to material science. For example, they are conducting experiments in protein crystallization. On Earth, gravity can interfere with the way proteins form into perfect crystals, but in space they can grow larger and more uniformly, giving scientists a clearer view of their structure. This work has huge implications back on Earth. Understanding a protein structure is a key step in designing new drugs to fight diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's. By doing this research in orbit, the X4 crew could help accelerate the development of life-saving treatments. Another area of focus is on advanced materials. In microgravity, you can create metal alloys or optical fibers with properties that are impossible to replicate on the ground. These new materials could lead to more efficient electronics, stronger and lighter building components, and next-generation communication technologies. The station is a factory for the future. The astronauts themselves are also part of the experiment. Living in space changes the human body in profound ways. Bones lose density, muscles weaken, and fluids shift upwards in the body. The X4 crew is participating in a suite of biomedical studies to better understand these effects. They wear sensors that track their vital signs, take regular biological samples, and perform cognitive tests. This data is invaluable not only for protecting the health of future astronauts on long-duration missions to the Moon and Mars, but also for understanding aging and disease processes on Earth, such as osteoporosis. Every experiment, no matter how small, is a piece of a much larger puzzle. It's about building a foundation of knowledge that will enable humanity to live and work in space sustainably. The X4 mission contributes significantly to this goal. They are not just following procedures, they are active participants in the scientific process, troubleshooting problems and observing phenomena that no one has ever seen before. Their work aboard the ISS is a powerful reminder that exploration and scientific discovery go hand in hand, each one pushing the other to new and exciting heights. As incredible as the science is, you cannot spend time in space without being completely captivated by the view. Looking out of the cupola, the station's 7-window dome, is an experience that changes you forever. From this vantage point, you see Earth not as a collection of countries on a map, but as a single living entity. You watch massive storm systems swirl over the oceans, see the thin, fragile line of our atmosphere glowing a brilliant electric blue, and witness the deserts of Africa give way to the deep green of the Amazon rainforest. It's a constant, breathtaking reminder of how beautiful and interconnected our world is. The X4 crew spends every available moment they can find at these windows, cameras in hand. They capture stunning images of lightning storms flickering across entire continents at night, and the shimmering dance of the aurora borealis over the poles. These pictures are more than just pretty snapshots. They are a vital part of the mission. They help us monitor environmental changes, track deforestation, and understand weather patterns. More importantly, they connect people back on Earth to the adventure of spaceflight. Seeing our planet from this perspective inspires a sense of awe and a powerful desire to protect it. And amidst all this high-tech science and cosmic beauty, there are simple moments of humanity. For the X4 crew, one of those moments was their pierogi party. A crew member of Polish descent arranged to have specially prepared pierogis, a type of filled dumpling, sent up with them. Floating in the Destiny laboratory module, they shared this meal, a taste of tradition and family from 250,000 miles away. In space, food isn't just fuel, it's comfort, it's culture, and it's a way to bond as a team. Sharing those pierogis was a celebration of their heritage and their shared journey. Missions like X4 are so important because they show us the full spectrum of the space experience. It is a grand adventure, a challenging workplace, and a home away from home all at once. The combination of groundbreaking research, awe-inspiring views, and simple human moments like sharing a meal is what makes space exploration so compelling. This mission is another confident step forward, proving that space is open for business, for science, and for the human spirit. It invites all of us to look up and dream about the possibilities that await us. both on our planet and beyond.